Check out this amazing train set that I just got. This is absolutely amazing, and it's just the coolest train set for your tree. This has a LED on the bottom that does flash. We have a button on here, and you can also recharge the battery on the top. It's got 4 cars all together, and this actually can go forwards and back. The best part about this is that it actually has a remote control, so you can control a bunch of different things. You can turn the sound on and off. You can actually go forwards and backwards. So as I twist this forward, you can see in the background, it is beginning to move. And you can actually adjust the dial to make it go faster. So that goes all the way up. And whenever you want it to stop, you can stop it pretty accurately, to be honest with you. You can pretty much put it exactly where you want it. If I just want to go up a couple rails, I can. And if you also want to put this in reverse, you can do that as well, which is really, really cool. This makes it a really fun toy that's practical and useful for the winter season. If you're looking for a toy train, this is the one I recommend. It is so cool, and it's actually pretty big compared to other ones that I have reviewed and seen in the past. We can even turn the noise on by just simply holding that button in. And what's really cool about this is the engine's noise will adjust based on how fast you spin the dial and how fast it's going. If you turn it all the way up, you can actually hear it going into overload, which is really cool. And then you can easily shut off the sound if you don't want that as well. But this remote is really nice because most of them I haven't seen with one. You usually have to turn it on and off with the actual button on the side of the car. And then sometimes when you hit it, it just goes and shoots off of the rails. So this one's nice that you can control it really easily, turn the button on first, and then spin the dial as well. If you're looking for a cool toy train, this is definitely one that I recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.